What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time joining me, my name is Jessica. I'm a mother's was a makeup lover, of course. I'm so excited for today's video. As you can see by the title, we have the brand new Blend Bunny Cosmetic Sugar and Grunge palette. So this is what the palette looks like if you haven't seen it already. Of course, I have used it. This is a 24 pan eyeshadow palette. 24 shades for the 90s sweetheart. Love that. You get the iconic Blend Bunny setup where you have everything color coordinated into rows. I feel like this is swapped because like the pink would be over here, the green would be over here. Doesn't really matter, but it's the only thing that I'm just like, I just noticed that. I really don't have too much to say right off bat. I love the color stories. I love the tones. Blend Bunny always kills it with like their tones. The setup is so super like beginner friendly. I wasn't sure what colors I was going to play with, but I ended up, the eyeshadow look that we're going for today, I wanted to try to match the outer packaging. I feel like that was like a very good like debut on my channel for the palette. So that is the vibe today. Though obviously when I get over to the eyeshadow portion, I didn't know this is where we were going to end up. So I'm very excited. This palette does launch today. It actually probably will already be live by the time my video goes up. So if you guys wanted to get your hands on it, I will leave a link down below for you guys. If you want to see what I can do with this baby right off bat, you're definitely going to want to keep watching. I am going to be just focusing on my eyes in today's video. We are just focusing on the eyes because I wanted to give it all of my love and attention, but I will be sure to leave all of my face products down below if you're curious about the face products that I used. And of course, if you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous eyeshadow, then definitely keep on watching. And of course, don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I will do an up close of my makeup for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. Without further ado, let's go and jump right on in. If you know, you know. I know I kind of did my little intro thing, but this is officially like the first look, because obviously I filmed the intro after I'm done. Fucking iconic. It's so hot, I'm so thirsty, and I have no time to do this shit. I'm going to start with this dark shade here called Drew. It's like dark maroon. And I'm taking this on a Jessup 234 Luxe Smoky Shader brush. Oh, I think I'm going to do like a half cut crease moment. So I'm going to start by stamping this down all in my crease. Look at how far this is traveling. Have not dipped back in yet. I expect nothing less from Blend Bunny's formula. I think I just figured out what I want to do. Next, I'm going to take the next shade up, which is called Flannel. This is a Morphe M573 brush, by the way. And I'm just doing little circle motions. I'm going to start smoking this out. I think I'm going to take inspiration from the cover of the palette. Hopefully it comes together in the end. So I'm just going right over the edges of this and really smoking it out. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy doe color brush and the shade Skater Girl. This beautiful blushy baby pink. And just go right on ahead and start smoking this out. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a 90s baby. I was born in 1997, which is on the later edge of the 90s, obviously, but I'm a 90s baby. Screaming, crying. I'm gonna go back in with all of my previous shades. Perfect. start the blend. So this is what it looks like all blended out. I'm now just going to take my P.Louise cut cover and I'm going to cut the crease. And I think I might just do a white base so that way the like colors will really pop. So let me go ahead and do that. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this angled mini Luxie brush and I think I'm gonna start going in with the greens. I think I'll start with shade Garage Band. Just dark green here. I think I'm gonna angle it a little bit because I do want to go in with a shimmer at the top of my crease here. Now on that same brush, I'm gonna take the shade 1995. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lay that right on top and start blending this out a little bit. Then I'm going to take this little tiny dough color brush. This is a number 11 brush. And I'm going to take the lightest green, Ironic. Very kickabee, but I'm expecting it to be super pigmented. And I'm not going to quite take that all the way up to that white. I'm going to save that for the shimmer I'm going to go in with. I think I'm going to take this blue shimmer on the crease. I want this to be really impactful, so I'm going to take some lash glue and draw a line. Then I'm going to take shade Butterfly. And lay that down. I think I'm also going to take the maroon this way. I think that would kind of bring everything together really nicely. I'm just going to take some more of my regular base. And then I'm just going to stamp it in a liner shape. And then I'm going to start with shade Drew, which is the darkest maroon. Tap that down. Then I'm going to take shade Flannel. Tap that down. Then I'm going to take shade Skater Girl. Alright. I'm thinking I'm going to do the same maroon to pink under my eye as well. Let me go ahead and do my base makeup and then I'll come back. So I wasn't quite sure exactly what I was going to do going into this makeup look. So I definitely changed my shirt to match the aesthetic just a little bit better. Fucking iconic, honestly. What are my thoughts? Let's see. Let's start with the packaging. So I love how, I don't know if you could see how it kind of has that like foiled effect. So the palette is the Sugar and Grunge palette. I was kind of hoping to match the outer packaging a little bit, and I think I really did achieve that. The formula is exactly what I expect from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. The layout is Blend Bunny iconic. Like, this is their very unique, iconic layout. We have the light, medium, dark, and then a row of shimmers. This is a 24 pan eyeshadow palette. It does also include a mirror in it. And I just feel like the the inside and the outside match very well. Like, if you look at this palette, you would expect these colors to be inside of it. Yeah. I mean, what else can I say besides it's beautiful. It's Blend Bunny. It is that girl. Love this. I'm so excited to be adding this to my collection. Definitely let me know if you guys plan on picking this up. It does launch today at, was it 12:30? It might be up right as this video is going up. So unless you're watching this video like immediately, you should be able to get your hands on this palette like right now. Like, she is live. How exciting. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on the eyeshadow look that I created. Of course, I will definitely be, she will be on my channel more often. Don't you worry. I will definitely be playing with her a lot more. But other than that, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're going to go right on ahead. Roll the clip.